Namaste everyone. Today we'll learn how to go into Padhasthasana and Adho Mukha Svanasana. So stand upright with your feet together, arms hanging by the side, and stretch your body upwards. So take your arms up, inhale, and with the help of your hips go down. Maintain this 90-degree position. So in order to keep your spine straight, lengthen up your spine. Do not let it hunch. And then very slowly place your arms wherever you feel the most comfortable and try to bend down. But in this process, do not pull yourself excessively. Now very slowly try pulling yourself down with the help of your hands. Do not strain. If you think you are not flexible or you cannot go into the pose, please do not do this. This is wrong. So here is the modification for the people who cannot go that deep into the pose. Maintain the 90-degree angle at your hip joint and then slowly bend your knees. And now, if possible, without straining, place the hands on either side of the feet with the fingertips. And if this is not comfortable, you cannot reach the floor, then you can place them either on your calf or back of the knee. Now we'll walk towards the Adho Mukha Svanasana from the Padhasthasana. So walk your fingertips and come to the mountain pose, that is Parvat Asana. Try to keep your spine straight, your feet are together. Now keep your feet at a distance, shoulder width apart, and play with your feet. So this is downward facing dog. Now again, please do not strain your hamstrings. In this position, the hips are facing upwards, that is towards the sky. So pull your hips up, your spine is straight. And if you feel that your spine is rounding, then just bend your knees. Make sure that there is no hunching of your back and there is no stress on your neck. Let's do the modification. If you feel that your spine is rounding, raise your heels and bend your knees, and your abdominal muscles and thighs are pulled towards each other. Now we'll walk back and finish the pose. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel. Namaste.